Birds! 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 That's a good one. Give me an idea for my video. Hey guys, so this week's theme on YouTube Sisters is Scary Week / Horror Week. I'm not quite sure which one it is, but I'm going to be doing things that are scary that probably shouldn't be scary, because there are quite a few of these that you just get really scared by, or at least I get scared by, that probably shouldn't scare you. So the first thing happened quite recently. I was watching Monsters Inc., as you do, and my laptop just sort of froze and started going, you know, when it like pauses the audio and makes funny noise. And then the dreaded blue screen came up. I hate that blue screen. I threw my headphones off and ran away. That's how much I hate the blue screen. I don't know why, it's just a blue screen, but for some reason it just freaks me out. I freaked out and ran away and switched it off quickly and then went back on it, and luckily it didn't happen again. But I really hate it when that happens. Please let me know if that's just me, because I really hate that. I went to the cinema yesterday and this didn't actually happen, but I know it used to happen when I was younger. And basically there used to be this one advert that would come on right before the film that was so loud, and I hated it. And I used to just sit there like this all the way through the advert because I hated it. It didn't come on yesterday, it doesn't bother me anymore, but I really did not like it for some reason. And I also remember that there was this advert, and I'm pretty sure it might have come on the TV, but I only ever saw it at the cinema. In fact, I've never even watched it because I didn't like it. I used to always look away and cover my ears because it was about this girl that got run over, I think, and I hated it. So yeah, cinemas are good but bad at the same time. So because I'm quite socially awkward and shy, as are a lot of other people, whenever I go out in public and I either go to buy like food or go to buy clothes from a shop or just go to talk to somebody, I just get really embarrassed and shy, and it's always really awkward because you go up and you'll buy something and then they'll start talking to you and you're like, yeah, and then the dreaded moment where you have to get the stuff off them. You have to take the bag and then they give you the receipt. So you've got a bag, you've got your purse in one hand, and then you have to try and take the money and the receipt without dropping it, which is really difficult, by the way, especially when they put the money on top of the receipt. No, put the money and then put the receipt, because then it doesn't go all over, and then you have to try and like put it all in your purse and zip your purse up and put your purse in your bag, without taking so long that the next person is like, what you doing, get away. And it's just really awkward and I don't like it. Next is birds, which are currently flying past my window. At my school, and at every school, there's always loads of seagulls. Why? Why? They need to go to the seaside, not school. And probably because there's a lot of food. And like some people at school have been like pooed on by a bird. So every time there's birds above me, even like just in general, I'm always just like, nope, get away, go. And I just like run under some shelter because I just hate the thought of being pooed on by a bird. It's never happened before and I don't want it to ever happen. The last one, which is a massive struggle for me, and I know it is for some other people as well, is opening presents. Now I do like opening presents because you're getting a present, it's cool. But I hate opening presents in front of other people, which makes birthdays and Christmas very, very awkward. I don't like birthdays, to be fair, probably mainly because of that. I'm not a massive fan of having my birthday. I just think birthdays are a bit pointless. But I have to, every year, twice a year, sit there and open my presents in front of people and be like, yeah, thanks. It's just because I never know what to do with my face or what to say. I'm just like, thanks. What do I do now? It's just really awkward. I'd much rather just sit there and open them on my own and then go to them afterwards and say thank you for my presents. Because especially if it's just like someone that's doesn't live with you, I still don't like it then, but especially if it's like another member of family and like, here you go, and you're like, Thanks. I just hate it. I find it so awkward. Let me know if you experience any of these in the comments, and let me know if you have any more of these things that are scary that probably shouldn't be, because I'm sure there's quite a few in the world. So I'm gonna go now. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube Sisters, and I'll see you next Friday. Bye.